Hello, and this is episode 3 of our Java programming tutorials for Java gaming development for our text-based game. In this tutorial, we are going to go ahead and cover the while loop. Okay, first things first, I would like to go ahead and show you that you can go ahead and grab this scanner object and go ahead and move it all the way up here to the top. And this is where you're going to declare your objects. Okay? And we'll get more into objects later on in the game, but you can use this for anything. So anytime you wanted to get, let's say, another variable, you could just say scanner.nextLine. Keep in mind, next line only works for a string. There's also things like next int and stuff like that. So if you wanted to do the player level equals whatever you input, you can simply do scanner.nextInt, and so on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and delete this. And what we're going to start on now is what we call a while loop. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to actually put it's going to be a do while loop. So I'm going to put do up there with a bracket, and of course down here we're going to close that off, and we're going to have while with a parameter. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to continue this until the player inputs a name. So if you go ahead and save this right now, what null means is basically blank. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and type something in. If you type it in, okay, it's not doing what I wanted it to do. Oops. Yes, it is. Actually, I'm sorry about that. Go ahead and put equals null, because we want it to only do this while the player name is blank. So let's go ahead and run that again. So we're going to hit enter, and it's just going to sit here and do nothing. Now we're going to go ahead and move this above our send message. So what this means is our send message is actually only going to display after we go ahead and get a valid player name. So we're going to go ahead and run this one more time for an example. As you can see, it doesn't matter how many times I hit enter, it's not going to do anything. But if I go ahead and I hit type in something, it's going to go ahead and say what my name is. Okay, give me one moment here.